Guys, it's me, Donald in 154 here. I'm about to do a 15-minute herping challenge looking for baby toads because it is on in that woods right there. Okay, when my partner comes out, our start partner's ready, but we have one problem facing us. I don't know if you can see them, but coming out of this hole is yellow jackets. So we gotta be watching out for that. So we're about to start. Containers are right here. He's got his container. Yeah, and let's get started on.
Holes in them.
Yeah, no animal cruelty on this channel. About to get rained on, so maybe that will increase our chances of finding little baby toads. See you when we start. We're starting herping now.
Pull it up.
We've already been in this woods today. There's a whole bunch of poison ivy and thorns, but it's worth it to find these little baby toads that are everywhere on these logs. Well, that's thunder. Okay guys, we're starting herping. We've already been in here in this poison ivy and thorns infested woods, but that's what that frogs like to be, so that's where we'll have to go to find the, we got one right here. Okay. Camera down. Okay, well, y'all can look at that for just a second. Hey, there's another one right there too. Scampered across a little log. Okay. There's quite a bit right here. So, we're at 2 now. Hope I didn't kill this one. I didn't mean to if I did. They're so small, man, you can't help it. So, sorry. Here's what we've got right now. Sorry if that one was killed. I didn't mean to, y'all. I'm just trying to get it. I'm not used to catching anything that tiny. Put the camera down again. Put the lid on. Catch some more. Okay. They were on the... Okay, there's one right here. Put the camera down and catch it. Got him. I probably want to see it. But yeah. Oh, they're all alive. They're all hopping now. Okay, so that's good. Put the camera down. Close the lid. Up to 3. I don't know what partner's at, but he's probably doing pretty good. This side is, I'm gonna say, a little bit more wet than the other side. And yeah, we're about to get hit with rain, so that might increase our chances for these guys being out. I think I just, yep, there's one right there. Well, he jumped off. Okay, I think I can still get him. Put the camera down. Oh, I didn't get it. Lost. Lost into the woods. Okay. The easiest way to see them is just, you'll see them hopping on these logs right here. That's just the easiest way for me to find them. So we still got 3. We're off to a good start. So yeah. He went right in there. I'm gonna try to avoid that. That is. It's hard not to trip over here. But you gotta do what you gotta do to get to place. Oh, there's one right here. See if I can't get it. Nope, he's gone. I lost him. Got another one right here. He's gonna act like he's dead, playing dead like a... That's him right there on the camera. So, that's that. Got 4 now. Still good. Still at the beginning of the 15 minutes. Okay. I want to try that vehicle and see if I can get this with the camera. Or not. I lost him. Oh well. Lost to the woods again. I gotta do better. Okay, I think I just saw one move with moss. Playing more. Let's see. Here's one. Let's see. Crap. Not here. He's in the dirt and debris and stuff. Well, he's gone. Still 4 though. Oh, we got 2. We got 2. Okay, wait. 1 and 2. Show y'all these. Get this set up. Okay. Sorry for the camera shakiness. That's 2 right there. Put the camera down. Into the. Oh, we got a 3. We got 3. In the spot. We got 3. Okay. No, they're 2 lost. Oh no. Well, never mind. Got him back. Okay, camera. Sorry for the camera situation here, but it's kind of hard to do it with the hands like they are. Okay. So far, so good, and they're all alive. They're just playing dead, I can tell you that. So put the camera down again. Quite a bit. Still doing good. We're about to get rain because it just thundered really loud. Y'all probably heard it. But still doing good. Up in here, it's thunder. Alright. It's probably a hole to a big one up there. Okay, right now we are up to 6 little baby toads. And here's 3 right here. I'll probably catch, that's 1. And there's 1 right.
Are you still catching them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Okay, well, I got 1. We're up to 7 now. That's still good. Still good. We're toward the bark off this tree. You can see where these ants have just crawled and made their nest right here. Okay, there's a lot right here. One on this log. I don't want to stick my hands to where I don't know where they are, because who knows, that could be a copperhead down in here. Let's see. Try to get this one on camera. Probably didn't, but oh well. Put him in the thing. I hope they can't escape the holes. Okay. Hey little buddy, you're gonna get caught. Please. Okay, I'm sorry I'm having the camera down for a little bit, but I'm just gotten onto a whole bunch right here. Oh no, please don't jump. Okay. I just saw, okay, there's 1. Where'd he go? He's in here. Oh well. Let the other one find him. Okay, sorry about that. These guys are just everywhere over here in this wood bark stuff. Okay. Somebody over here. No. Flip this, because even though I'm doing this 15-minute challenge, never hurts to find a worm snake in between. I think somebody's up here. I think. Thought I saw somebody. Oh well. I've only covered a small area of this forest, so we have not even gone into the back yet, but I found the majority before this competition right around this area. So And if you hear the people talking, that's my partner and his brother talking. Never hurts fun, salamander. Salami said, okay. I thought here's a little dude. And these things are pretty hard to catch if you can get past the pond straw and stuff. Yeah, I got him. Right here, got him. By his hand. And I ended up catching 13 little baby toads. Partner here's caught 9. Honestly, I thought he would actually do a little bit better than I would because this is his own turf. But yeah, so that's all I have to say about that. But y'all go check out his YouTube channel. It's called What's Up Nature. It's pretty cool. And
don't have anything yet, but will soon.
And we're gonna release the baby toads back in their habitat. And if y'all like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Always helps out. And see you on the next one.